And I think what we were trying to do next was also mentioning a case study that you guys wanted to bring. So Ruby, can you tell us a little bit more about yours?
Yeah, so I think this is actually really, good segue from how the loyalty program stand out. So this is my recent discovery in Germany, which is a medical insurance company, which is supposed to be the most boring industry in the whole world, right? Because I think, when you think about insurance, there's no one working in insurance, right? No, I don't think so. Okay. Should have asked that question yesterday. But I think when it comes to insurance, it's really around you want to think about insurance one day a year, then leave it behind of your mind. But what the TK, which is a brand name of the brand, they did really well is they actually partner up with a lot of different fitness and also with doctors and dentists, etc. So the proposition of the loyalty program is really encourage the healthy lifestyle. So they also use the bonus points system. But the way they do that is, for example, you can opt into a walking challenge for a week. Then once you achieve the goal, you can earn, let's say, 5,000 points, which then utilize for some fitness equipment or even pay for your medical bill as well. So I think I just found it's such a clever way to make insurance is such a dry topic into a very relevant experience to our daily life as well.